Let's start. If you can't see our game preview, go to Canvas tab. Press the button as shown. And then return to Code tab, to continue coding. Change line. Write, our variable, myCanvas. Now we will change our canvas properties. Let's change the dimension. First we will change the width of the canvas. Place a dot, and write width. Now we can access and change the width of our canvas. Give the value of 512. Now let's change the height. Give the value of 256. Now you have learned how to access and change properties of the canvas element via JavaScript.